Instagram has 500 million daily active users. Mobile photography has become a regular part of our reality. Instagram photos are often a way to express yourself, to realize your creativity, to share your work, and often also a way to make money. And since Instagram is first of all about visual content, the quality of our photos plays a significant role. I'm Olga, illustrator, graphic designer, content creator, and busy mom. My new Skillshare class is all about mobile editing, and it's ideal for beginners because we will talk about basic concepts. But I want not just to show you some editing apps. I will form an understanding of how to create a harmonious image with the help of exposure, contrast, temperature, light, shade, and how to translate the desired mood. This understanding will help you to find your own editing style. I will also share with you some secrets of how to make photos more Instagrammable. Add a beautiful view outside the window, remove other objects and people, how to look slimmer by a few kilograms, remove skin defects, and even change the color of your clothes. See you in the class!